Languages Matter Talking Points is Estyn's new thematic report on the teaching and learning of international languages in Wales. The report evaluates the progress that schools have made in delivering international languages within the curriculum for Wales. The report considers the quality of teaching and its impact on pupils' learning, and how well school leaders support international languages. The report identifies positive developments, such as the introduction of international languages in the primary curriculum. And there are many examples of effective practice from primary, secondary and all-age schools across Wales. However, the report also notes some ongoing challenges, particularly in relation to the low numbers of pupils who choose to study an international language at GCSE and beyond. So in this report, we also explore how schools promote the benefits of learning languages and how pupils' attitudes towards learning an international language are changing.